Hi friends, this is Sheikh Jahangir. My today's session is how to install Oracle VM VirtualBox in your Windows operating system. If you want to install multiple operating system under a single machine, then you can install VM VirtualBox. So friends, let me start. Prerequisites for install VM VirtualBox. You should have minimum of 512 MB of RAM random access memory, processor 64-bit of Intel or AMD. If you still need support for 32-bit hosts, as this has been discontinued in 6.0 version, 32-bit was available in 5.2 version, which is expired in July 2020. Sorry for that. Hard disk space required minimum 20 MB. And your motherboard should have supports of virtualization technology enabled. I have made a video on how to enable virtualization in your BIOS. Still who are not seen that video, please see that video first by pressing I button above. I also given the link to my description box. Here my system has Core i5 CPU and RAM 16 GB. That is more than enough as per requirement. I have Windows 10 professional operating system. Now click on Google Chrome browser for download Oracle VM VirtualBox. Type Oracle VirtualBox. I will download VM VirtualBox 6.0 version and 64-bit from Oracle site. You can also download from https://www.virtualbox.org, but I will download from Oracle official website https://www.oracle.com. Click on Windows installer. See, download is started. Now I am going to download Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. Click on 6.1.12 extension. Download has been completed. This extension pack will help you when you will swap virtual PC to physical PC. No need to press right control key again and again. Cut and paste the downloaded stuff to D drive. That one is the older version I have downloaded previous. Let me delete that first. Now double click on virtualbox.exe file. Next, then next. No need to create start menu entries. I am unchecking this option. Also no need to create shortcut on quick launch bar. Register file association is required to orchestrate the registry value. Next, my network interface is going to reset. It is a warning. No problem. Let me reset. Yes. Install. Finish. My system needs to restart. I am rebooting the PC. Now I needs to install Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. Double click on it. Hit on install, accept the license agreement, hit on I agree, yes. Okay, installation has been completed. Now click on File, click on Extensions here. See, my Oracle VM Virtual Extension Pack is installed successfully. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. My next video will be on how to install and configure Linux distro like Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. There are many distributions of Linux like Ubuntu, CentOS, Kali Linux, etc. But I will show you RHEL 8 installation and configuration, and all other distro will install and configure in same way. So friends, stay tuned. Thank you.